Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I will show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles from the upper right side, extend the list, and in here you'll find somewhere battery saver, or exactly called power saving mode. So as you can see, it's this icon right over here. And once you find it, tap on it. This will give up a pop-up right here, power saving mode, improve battery life by disabling features such as auto syncing, and well, that's a very brief explanation, but let's select OK. Now another thing that will probably happen is, let's see, number one would be the Wi-Fi and mobile data will be not temporarily, but will be disabled once the device is in sleep mode. So just to clarify this would be considered sleep mode. At least after like a couple of minutes the device will go into it, and that will disconnect you from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and because of that you won't be getting any kind of notifications that would normally require internet connection. Additionally, if you have high refresh rate enabled, as you can see we have a 90 Hertz right here accessible. This right now is, I'm pretty sure, yep, turned off. So right now, even though technically it's showing 90, it's actually not running at 90, which is actually quite odd, to be honest. But yeah, so visual effects are also turned off, or at least lowered. So anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, to turn it off, all you need to do is just find the toggle once more, tap on it, there we go, to disable it, and there we go. Everything should go back to functioning normally. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.